Understanding sleep cycles.
Sleep is not a single continuous state. Instead, it moves through repeating cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes. These cycles include different stages, each with unique changes happening inside your brain. By exploring what happens in the brain during each part of the sleep cycle, we can better understand the importance of restful sleep for your health.
Stage 1. Light sleep begins.
The first stage of sleep is light and brief. Here, your brain produces slower, mixed-frequency waves. You may experience sudden muscle twitches, and it's easy to wake up. This stage acts as a transition from wakefulness to deeper sleep, preparing your brain and body to rest and recharge.
Stage 2. Preparing for deep sleep.
In stage 2, your body temperature drops and heart rate slows. Your brain activity shows special patterns called sleep spindles and K-complexes. These help suppress outside disturbances and play a role in memory consolidation. This stage makes up the largest portion of your night's sleep.
Stages 3. Deep sleep and brain restoration.
Stage 3 is known as deep or slow wave sleep, marked by large, slow brain waves called delta waves. During this time, the brain flushes out toxins and repairs tissues. Deep sleep is essential for feeling refreshed, and it also plays a key role in strengthening the immune system and processing memories.
REM sleep, the dream phase.
REM stands for rapid eye movement, and this stage is when vivid dreams usually happen. Your brain activity increases, almost mimicking wakefulness, but your voluntary muscles become temporarily paralyzed. REM is crucial for learning, mood regulation, and creativity. It also helps the brain process emotions and experiences from the day.
The complete sleep cycle.
Your brain transitions through these sleep stages multiple times during the night. Each cycle supports different aspects of mental and physical health. By understanding the distinct roles of each stage, light, deep, and REM sleep, you can appreciate how quality sleep shapes your well-being every night.